60-inch Hunter Stonebridge Ceiling Fan in action. Here's the light. This is probably one of the fans that work properly in the house. There's two Hunter Stratford 2s in the house. There's a 44-inch one and a 52-inch. They both have bad capacitors, unfortunately. This one works properly. It's got this beautiful look to it. Really powerful fan, though. Medium. It's a really cool fan. It's really big too, though. The biggest fan in the house. I love the low light it has. I know some of my viewers have seen of Stonebridge in person. And yes, here's high. Now this is going to crank out a lot of air. And I believe this has the Air Max motor too. Because this has been installed since probably the early 2000s, 2001, 2002. When I was born. Moves a lot of air. Very powerful. Not bad. Very beautiful. There's another Hunter Stratford 5 Minute Fan in this house, so I better get this done before we leave again. Thanks for watching.